Alright, you're good.
This is the way you take the batteries out, just with a little screwdriver, pull them out like that. Cut the zip tie first, of course. You'll see where the positive and negative are on the battery. Take those old ones out and put the new ones in. And then put another zip tie in there to hold them down. To take the bat ram out, pry up on these corners and pull up. That takes it out. All these prongs, you gotta line up in here. You have this little half circle right here, has to match the diagram on the circuit board. Sometimes it's down, sometimes it's up. You gotta look at the diagram on the circuit board to see which way it goes back in. And again, just make sure all the prongs are lined up and insert.